lots to watch carefully over the next couple of hours. We had a mix of sun and clouds most of today. As expected, wasn't a washout, and really that's going to be the case over the next several days. That daily storm chance continues, but you also get lots of dry time. 84 degrees right now in Indianapolis. It's a breezy day. Right now we have a south wind at 17. Dew point temperatures continue to creep back up into the upper 60s, so it's warm, it's muggy. High temperature this afternoon was 87 after a low of 67. Sunset this evening happens at 9:14. Yes, it's warm and muggy, but we're not dealing with that dangerous heat. That is a completely different story from parts of the central U.S. through South Texas into the Gulf Coast, including the panhandle of Florida, and then back out west where they are dealing with dangerous heat. Now, our danger comes with that threat of severe weather, and there's the tornado watch issued here, highlighted in pink. It does cover northern sections of Illinois, northwestern sections of our state. Locally, nothing to show you on live Doppler 13 radar. It's plenty warm, plenty humid, enough instability. Can't rule out a pop-up storm this evening, but the main area of concern is up to our north and west, especially with a couple of these cells coming out of Rockford. We'll continue to monitor this closely. There's some additional storm development across northern Missouri, so if any of that holds together, it could impact central Indiana later tonight or early tomorrow morning, as we do remain under that threat of severe weather. This is Future Track 13. I'm going to start it at 11 o'clock this evening. Again, we'll watch what develops out to our west. How it holds together may impact parts of central Indiana late tonight and the early part of tomorrow morning. That is 2 a.m. We'll stop it as sunrise happens 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. We'll be dealing with the threat of afternoon storms in that Thursday outlook, but much like today, tomorrow is not going to be a washout. It is going to be warm. It is going to be muggy. We'll be back in the range of 85 to 90 with a couple of pop-up storms tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. Now, in terms of that threat of severe weather, it does begin to shift into the eastern sections of the state as we head into Thursday. Early look at Storm Prediction Center for Friday, not under the threat of severe storms for now. And we've got most of Friday dry, 68 at 8 a.m., 81 midday, highs close to 90 on Friday afternoon. The next most organized complex of storms forecast for late Friday into the start of the weekend. 86 with a slight storm chance tomorrow. We're up to 90 on Friday, 86 both Saturday and Sunday. Right now, most coverage expected in terms of storms. The early half of Saturday, we will continue to keep you updated on the timeline. Just know this typical summertime pattern, warm, muggy with a daily storm chance, continues through the start of the weekend.
Angela, thanks. Here we are just a couple of weeks away now from the Indiana State Fair.
And this will be a lot of fun. New features for you to go see this year. Things like the Illuminate Custom Light Show. It's going to be free inside the expo hall.
There's also